Dedicate this one to a down to go on some way. You are you call Jamaica, say the man called Johnny Claw. Johnny Claw. You know, the man said Johnny Claw. Do it.
Real love that grows and grows.
Hear that?
Not just the love that comes and goes. Oh, baby,
Greetings, originally
never forgetting.
Jamaica.
So first of all, who are you?
Well, I'm the original DJ, Foundation Jamaica, Foundation DJ from them times to this time. Seeing up here same way by the Almighty God, Seeing some there, original Jamaica Foundation youth.
Take us back to your early days in Jamaica, like what first drew you to reggae music and dancehall, and what was the environment like when you was coming up?
Well, right now, when I come up, at sound I start DJ upon, Seeing?
Yeah, like which
See?
song?
Well, the first sound, a tipper tone, because Jai used to DJ upon tipper tone. But when before Jai used to start DJ, me DJ upon the first part, see, and kind of make the dance, and when Jai would come, them take over. See, so Jai was my inspiration. I might take it from, Jai would, yeah man, till I come up and start go around and people start hear about me and things. See? Well, anyway. I started DJ now upon a sound name, my brethren, I have a sound name, Emperor Lord Faith. See, I have a brethren live near me now, tell me say, boy, Mikey, I like how you DJ and I like your lyrics, So you know, I have a sound name, Emperor Faith, and why I come DJ upon it, see. So I say, no problem, I will come. See, so one night I go up there, where this road go up there, and start DJ, and the boss say, yeah man, you move on for DJ my sound. So I start DJ the sound now in the 70s, see?
True.
Start DJ the sound and thing. Anyway, I go to Clarendon, I go to 14 parish all over the world, 14 parish, see? Go DJ. See, but the most places them love me more are Clarendon. See, I go to Clarendon and start DJ down Clarendon every night, see? So, I have a virgin down there named Natty Tado. Him die now, see? Rest in peace, my brother. See, him die now, but him used to come on the dance and regular and me and him DJ. The man Skeng down, because Skeng used to come on when me a DJ and come wait for me at the gate to come in, Yeah, if me not come like the man him now going at the dance, That's talk about Skeng down,
Yeah.
See? Yeah. Was my boss side, see? Anyway, I start DJ and thing, see? So, one time they said youth, them hold him and them go to jail, them charge him for murder, shooting, see? And whole political things, them there in jail. So the sound now me I tell about name Emperor Lord Faith. Seeing I play against the station on a line in the town, a Clarendon, a line in the town. Seeing I'm a DJ a tune and me hear a man say, Jammer, and come look at the youth, they behind bars, seeing, because the jail near you can't looking at the jail, and see me and I call me. I'm saying, what me DJ? I'm saying, me there man. So I'm saying, alright, they're going to do a tune boy. Yo. I'm saying, yeah man. And they said night now, me I do the tune. I'm there in jail, I'm saying, free Natty Tado, a captain. Free Natty Tado, cause Natty Tado is my militant dread. Natty Tado is my militant dread. Natty Tado no trouble no one. Natty Tado is a militant man. And the man go a code. The man go a court the Monday. As the man go a court, the man free. People them couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
See, the mother say, boy, me free Natty Tado, but how to survive on the inspiration. I mean music, Yeah. See, so anyway, I'm free. I said the man free. The man captured the sound for about 2 months in Clarendon. Saying I play everywhere, Lionel Town, Yorktown, Veer, Rocky Point, everywhere in Clarendon. The man want me go home back at town. See, the man said, boy, I don't ever live, and the man give me a human house, everything. So I come like I don't live, so. Anyway, that, yeah, saying some go to bomb now and come back at town now and they are town and thing. They are town and they are cool out and thing. One man again now, and next man come to me again, they said, I say a big bike ride come from my yard with that dread pant and say, wow, you know Jamaics? I'm say, saying, I'm Jamaics, original. I say, hey, some just build a brand new sound and why I come DJ upon it. And I say, what name? I say, Black Harmony. I say, anyway, I hear me, I DJ sound Emperor Faith already. I can't I can't let Emperor Faith and come DJ next sound. Anyway, I come here night. Saying, I'm go there and DJ and say, boy, I'm going up on the sound, you know. I'm saying, I can't let Emperor Faith, I don't have DJ sound already. Saying, so I say, alright, I'm going to work with you. I'm going to start DJ upon the sound, Black Harmony, saying, Black Harmony Hi-Fi, saying, I start DJ, I'm going to 14 parish again with them. But DJ, ram up dance and everything. Anyway, again, because of Bam now, and they said sound Empire Faith, me and him played, him and sound name Socialist Road, and sound name King and Town, but him has that Socialist Road, see?
Yeah.
Well, King and Town name,
yeah,
with Danny Dread, Selector. Anyway, me there my yard again, and Danny Dread come call me and say, yo, we have play a South Camp Road, you know, against Empire Faith. I say, I can't go, I have to leave Empire Faith. So anyway, I go. Now I go now, I did it, I'm a DJ. But before I go in a dance, I go to the gate and I step on a man's foot, and the man say, man look up and say, who this? Yeah. I say, who are you, Jamaica? You know, I put my step on. General Starkey. Yeah, Starkey say, Mike, are you? Go through, man. And then I go there, I hold the mic. Sing, and I hold the mic, I say, cause it's a PMP headquarters. P for the people, N for the national, the other P for the party, and the place mash up. Yeah. See? Anyway, I don't know, I don't play music and thing, and I better know, I come to dance and look, I make a problem on him. Them shoot him and kill him. His name Bobby Blackwood come from east out of my area and him dead. See? Anyway, the dance done and thing, I'm go home and thing, and there my yard. And Danny Dread, I must ride, come up on him bike and come and say, yo, you don't know what happened. The man in my jungle want, you know, come DJ Socialist Roots, you know. The man come DJ King and Town, you know, Tony Welch, you know. I say, I can't do that again, brother. I'm going to do that. I'm DJ Empire Faith already. I see my son who want me DJ. I'm one man, you know, I can't DJ to my son, you know. Anyway, I go over there go check them. Yeah. Anyway, I go over there go check them, man. I go check them, man. The boss say, yeah, man. Boy, upon the sound, you know. See, and I say, boy, I can't do it, you know, boss. And I said, no, man, I love your DJ, man. I'm going up on the sound, man. And through Danny Dread now, I'm selector. I say, all right. They got DJ up on the sound. All right. And one night, I'm going to finish for my play. See? Play that time, King and Tani. And then turn it to social roots. See? But through the politician business and the whole part, examine the politician, the whole part killing and things. The man here say, you're socialist, and want to kill and all them things there. See? Anyway. You go at no place, no liberal place go play, and them love the same way. Saying some say, alright, here me go do. They go change the name of the sound. Saying, so we play a Vinny Tram now, and that is play the music and, you know, Social Roots in name them time there. Yeah. And we take up the dub and then they pull up. And when they pull up, I say, right now we're going to change the name of the sound, you know. Saying, and then put on the real rock. Saying, the rubber dub, the real rock. Rhythm, yeah. Saying, rhythm. And then I say, Papa Roots play on Monday night. Papa Roots play on Tuesday night. Yeah. Papa Roots play on Wednesday night. Tomorrow night to Thursday night. The other night to Friday night. The other night to Saturday night. Papa Roots play every night. And from that, Papa Roots sound name. Saying, come change the name. And every sound in Jamaica, Stone Love, all of the so big sound them start play during the week. I remember say dance I used to keep on during the week, and I play Friday, Saturday, not even Sunday, but Friday, Saturday, dance to keep, you know. Saying? Yeah. So them change that now, to do that tune, and them start play Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, go right up. Since I mean, yeah, so I mean create them thing the brother. Saying? Anyway, you know, cause the night when I make that tune, you know, and the dance I make it, you know, I write upon up, I write up nothing, you know. And I dance to make it, you know, the tune now. Yeah, freestyle, you know, see. Long time I no DJ in a dance. Long time I no chant in a dance. They come for nice up the area. Dance off the cup, liquor seller. Promoter and them hygiene them all them. Oh, them laugh. Cha la 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 la. Saying, and me originate that. Saying, me make it. Me never write it. See me the take to my head. Anyway. I got some bomb now and thing, and that gone through and thing, I'm there and thing. I still do work and thing, because I can't stop work. Because I'm not a carpenter, I'm not a plumber. Seeing? From born to my mother, I'm a musician. Seeing? I born with a mic in a eye man hand. See? See, so I have nothing to live over but music. See? So I take it on, see me and go on and cool and take it on in the 90s and the 80s. I still a record. Because I'm a record now, because right now I do 2 LP for myself right now. Where I may produce, but I not put them out yet. See?
Yeah, some new recordings.
Yeah, some new record, but I not put them out yet. See? I just have them for my hard drive. But in the future, I want to put them out and put them up on the road. Because that's how the people don't hear enough about me. Because them kind of hold me down, you know. Saying, them want to public me out to make people get to know what I'm still about. But I'm about live and direct and fit and thing I'm ready for anything. Stage show, tour, anything, I'm ready for it. Saying?
But hold on, I want to know that though, like, who were some of the artists, musicians, or sound systems? You mentioned some already.
Yeah.
But who were some that influenced your style as a young singer coming up?
Well, originally, you know, saying, no, because the youth them nowadays, all the youth right now are DJ. I didn't go up on the mic in the bar. Long time I know DJ in a dance. My lyrics in my youth same way.
Yeah.
So I see the youth them love me same way. Saying, and the soul man them love me because them still a check for me. Right now I get a call from Messenger last night. And a brother said, boy, you know how long I'm trying to get to you? And I England there, you know. He said, you know how long I'm trying to get to you? I want some dub from you. You know how long? And I cannot get you. On Facebook I go and saw your number and call you. Saying, I want some dub for you urgently. And a lot of men in England here want a lot of dub people. And can't get contact to you. Somebody give me number and tell me, contact the man, me there, 17 can call me. And I do the dub them for him. I say, I have my price, and I tell him, and I say, saying, yeah, so things are going on for me same way. I just keep them and try to keep it down, but them can't stop me. I say, one thing I want to tell you again. You see when you put your hand in your ear, so, and I sing, I me originate that, I me first do that. Fine profit. I'm saying, all of them are doing it now, keep it on the whole of them.
So
I put them on them
doing
ear.
that in the first place?
Because it gives a kind of echo. You know? When you're DJ, when you sing your voice kind of echo. So, I'm me the original man who do that. You can ask the world. I'm say keep it on them and do it. All of the music on them say I do it now. So, I know for my style, them take away. You know, see, them want to call me name. And my name them I use up.
Like when you
See?
check online, you see General, Jamaica,
Yeah.
different Jamaicans.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come go up on all the internet lately and me dub in Jamaica. Me look, it's a white man, me say come up. I say, oh wait, a white man have my name too. So, I'm a great youth. I'm a great youth.
So
And God give me the
you
inspiration.
influence more people than them.
Aye, Celeste, yeah, my brother.
Alright,
You know,
so when
see.
you first stepped into the studio, what was the experience like and how different was recording in those analog days compared to today's digital era?
Well, I've tell you the living truth now, my brother. It's the original drum and bass. Seeing with the live thing at studio. It was nice. Nice. I enjoy it more than them computer thing right now. Yeah, I prefer I like the live rhythm. The live rhythm. I like to chat on the right rhythm, the live rhythm them. Chat on the right, the live rhythm them, you know? Yeah, them give me a good inspiration. But
Better energy.
the computer one them, you know, kind of throw me off a way. But I still hold it. Saying, cause music, you know, and I can't stop doing it, you know. Saying the music, you know, and I eat me, you know, create, you know, so I have to keep on doing it. Cause some make my money.
Yeah.
Saying, as some live, everything me about that give me my mouth. Yeah.
So you recorded during the time when live bands was playing a major role.
Yeah, man.
So obviously then you prefer the live instrumentation versus digital production any time of the day.
I like the live. I prefer the live, you know. The live give me a good inspiration, you know. Yeah, and give me a good vibes, you know.
And next thing, so your music carry a strong spiritual and cultural theme. Like how did Rastafari influence your writing and how important is message in reggae music and dancehall to you?
Well, right now, you know, the inspiration and Rastafari Foundation, right now, as a little youth I grew up, but big youth and the man I follow, you know. Bob Marley, Burning Spear. Yeah, to give me, you know, to make me really, me not ton. I'm born as a Rasta man, but I never have my nuts, but no, never carry the glory. To show them say me a real youth, Real Rasta youth. So a big youth, Jah youth. Yeah, Burning Spear and Bob Marley, them man give me the inspiration. And Dennis Brown, you know? Yeah, if you have the real. Cause Dennis Brown is my virgin, you know. Bonafide, you know. Yeah, man, Dennis Brown is a par, man.
Yeah.
I'm a youth, man. That time, I'm having soul here and everything there. Yeah, man. All about here. Yeah, man, original Orange Street. The whole of them places, the Prince Buster and the whole of them, man, they're my virgin. Yeah, man, I just used to the original foundation. Greg Isaac, whole of them, man, they're my virgin. Yeah, man.
So some say reggae today has moved away from its roots. From your perspective, what defines authentic reggae and dancehall music?
Well, reggae, you know, it's reggae, can't change. No matter what them do, them can't get to reggae music and dancehall music. Them things that stand firm, saying, for life. You know, so no matter what them try to get it out, the white guy, every guy will try to get it, but them can't get to reggae. Reggae music stand firm. All the white people, them love it. And them love it. See? Them love it. And them are carry too. You know, see? But reggae music, original foundation, can't end. See? Yeah, man, for you have life, and from you have life, a strictly reggae music, straight. And dancehall thing. Because them guys tell them know about dancehall, you know. Look, guys tell dancehall, them know nothing about dancehall. Because them youth never hold a mic, you know. And DJ not him 2 minutes, you know. And we hold microphone from 6 o'clock. And DJ upon sound. Saying to the next morning, 6 o'clock. And we never have no paper in our hand. And I look for the lyrics. We never write on the lyrics on the paper and come and dance and a DJ. We never do that. Yeah. It a come from our brains. It a come from our head. See? So we greater than them youth there. Them youth are now, them have a paper, them have a write tune. Me do 2 LP and I don't write none of them. It just come from, me just hear the rhythm and just come out of me and I just deal it. Yeah. So last God know that, me I tell the truth, my brother, and I lie, me I tell. We not write tune. See? You see me I say, unless a man give me a little piece, I'm write a little piece, but all of my tune them, I don't write none of them. See? Come to my brain, brother. That's why I tell you.
So more you tell the youths them. So for the younger generation, we only know about modern dancehall. How would you explain the foundation of reggae and its original mission?
Well, anyway, you know, we have to say to the youth them, you know, just keep on doing what you're doing, because you're doing good. See? But don't forget about the reggae music and the foundation. We have to always respect the foundation, because we pave the way. Like you, Roy, Johnny Clark, see? Big Youth, see? Prince Buster, see? And the man there, Ira, the man there. See, now we pave the way, Burning Spear and the man, now we pave the way for now. So now for respect we to the bone and love reggae music and love foundation. Because we love you know. But one thing I say, I just want to use them, the gun thing, and it's like, I don't too like, I don't appreciate that. Yeah. See, I don't like them kind of music there.
So the music is too violent now.
Yeah, the violent, I don't like it. I love your deal, brother. They do some tune with love and unity. See the reality and thing will happen. Because so the thing in tune, you know, thing will happen to we, you know. We talk about it because and then the system come because we are talk to the people on the media, you know. So we have to tell them what go on. If we tell them to do wrong, them will do wrong. So I tell them to do right, to make them do right. See, so I just want the youth to change up them style, brother. And just come culturally. Saying
more
love and unity and love foundation. Respect the foundation because we pave the way for them, they can get to know so they can have bends, so they can big house and them thing there. You know what them time we don't get nothing, you know. We don't get nothing. Now same, we don't get nothing. Right now we do 2 LP. We do 1 for Channel 1, we do 1 for Joe Gibbs. And I don't hear nothing about them truth. Nothing at all of them hear about them.
So no royalties?
No royalty, nothing at all, man, again. See? Yeah. But the greatest thing God made me there have life. I have a fight same way, I can fight same way and do my things same way. So I give thanks to the Almighty God for that car. I said, come on, car.
People can reach out to you and get the same
way. Yeah.
And you can re-record them and re-release
them. Over, yeah. See?
So looking back on your career, which song you say was your best experience and which song would you say most represent you as a person?
Well, to tell a living truth now, my big brother. See, that tune I'm singing him. Jamaica, I originate them my lyrics and me step it in a dance. Yeah, tune in till the morning. Coming out the morning for the rubber dog. Coming out the morning for the rubber dog. Coming out the night, come make the rhythm on the tide. Coming out the night, come make you feel so nice. I am Papa Michigo Africa. I am Papa Michigo Africa. I sit to meet you with your bird paper. Leave it on Orange Street. Take it away. What you mean? Yeah man, them tune them other man see him say Jamaica, other man see me.
That's the first thing.
Yeah, them say, you know? Yeah man.
So we have two more.
Yeah my brother.
What does reggae right now need to stay true to its roots and to continue to grow globally?
The man if just keep on promote it. Keep on promote the reggae music. Sing and love it. Sing and put it out there and keep on chanting to the people them. Sing in the industry. Just go and do it and just go and do good music. Because that one do good music. Sing and good reggae music. Good foundation music. And teach you about truth and rights. Sing and love and unity. And to go on. Sing. Well, if you're teaching, remember, you know, if you say to the youth, them say, boy, that, like I said, boy, or kill a man. You might kill a man, but if you tell the man, say, don't kill him, now I'll kill him.
Straight, yeah.
See? So just teach you love, brother. Just teach you love with the youth, them. Just love the youth, them. See? And the youth, them, just do good. And good, because you do good, good follow you, you know. You do bad, bad follow you, so you have to do good. See? And live the life you love and love the life you live. So every man got the mind to give. You see me I say? And a great thing, man, original DJ Jamaica. I'm not skin teeth to me past you, you know. Tell the truth, you know. And the unity amongst the youth, them. Because I love the youth, them, you know. And I love them I go on. But do good tune, man. Do good tune. Then people hear good tune and positive tune. People can feel good in themselves. And follow what you say. Saying and listen what you say. Saying, see me I say? Saying.
How you see your legacy? How you want Jamaica reggae, dancehall music? How you want to see your legacy?
But just want God just give me the glory, you know. Saying just give me the glory. Because I'm not really run down nothing, not run no blood duns or nothing. I just want God just give me the glory and the life. Because if I have life, are the greatest thing that nothing can come after, you know. So I want God give me a little more life, more health and strength. Sin and more love. Sin and we'll go on.
Yeah.
Just get the blessing, because the blessing will work for, you know.
Straight, yeah.
And I will not move for the blessing, you know. See? So from man have life for the greatest thing that anything can come after, brother.
Straight.
See?
What else you want to tell the people them as we close?
Well, I want to tell the people, say, any man who want to plate with me, you know, can contact, say, you know, and things. And what I have to say again to the youth, them, just love here, sir, unity. See, I see in the reggae music, enough corruption in it, you know, but we now watch that. And we have try to get out that. See? We have try to get out that. Make the youth them lead the love and unity. So more love and more unity and that blessing. And Jamaica original DJ. Saying foundation from them time to this time. Saying, who can a man be rough? Who can a man be tough? Who can a man be rough? Who can a man be tough? Who can a man be rough? Who can a man be tough? Who can a man be rough? Me say that, who can a man be tough? Rougher than them, Mitchie rougher than them. Rougher than them, Mikey rougher than them. Rougher than them, Glenn rougher than them. Come in! Now big no Virginia, me now big no friend. Say, Papa Michael, you a cuckoo legend. Ram up this dance and you will jam it up again. Special request to the cat called Gwen. Richard Chili Bobaka Burmpy. We call it, who can a man be rough? Who can remember it up? I mean, I tune them to do the other day. That last tune them again. I tune some police come and kick them the door in the bedroom.
Yeah.
People tell them say me have gun. And a man like me, we are big musician. Me not deal with them things. They love me. And me not deal them thing, brother. Me not deal gun thing, me not deal them thing. If a man start with gun, stay far from me. Me not deal them thing there. See, police and people, them tell police me have gun, them come kick down my door, ransack me out, say them all looking for gun, them not find none. So, but that's why I tell a tune about them. See, here go you know. See, nah go a jail again. Me nah go a jail again. Tell it to your Babylon friend. Me nah go a jail again. Tell it to the Eden. Babylon come, kick down my door. When you take a stop, me just a bass and relax. And I ask if you gone. And I don't got none. Them told me little house upside down. Them told me little house upside down. So them a search you gone. And them don't find none. Wicked Babylon want to set up a fast. Want to see me fingerprint pan the cutlass. And I don't like that. Love me Babylon, me try and go home. Jamaica originally foundation said, catch it! How you mean? Yeah. Tell it that tune soon come out. Yeah, cause my voice already.
Live on there.
Yeah, man.
Respect.
The more blessed and more love and more unity. Original Jamaica said that. Take it away! How you mean? Catch it!